We have met the enemy, and it is Huawei.
It's not can you trust Huawei, it's can you trust the Chinese government.
But America has done just that.
We're not going to do business with Huawei.
Huawei represents a national security risk.
But is this really about Huawei, or is it something bigger than that?
Rarely does a private company provoke a nation. Yet Huawei's latest move has the U.S. scrambling. They have unleashed the Kirin 9020, a chip so powerful it threatens to topple Apple's grip on the smartphone market.
Huawei is one of China's most successful global companies, and its smartphones rival Samsung and Apple for market share.
But this is just the beginning. Huawei's latest breakthroughs are set to challenge NVIDIA, OpenAI, and even national digital infrastructures.
We found out that Huawei's new smartphone is powered by a self-designed chip.
How far has Huawei's innovation gone? And what does it mean for global tech supremacy? The launch that shook the industry. In August 2025, Huawei made one of its boldest moves in years. After nearly half a decade of silence surrounding its in-house processors, the company officially confirmed that the Kirin 9020 system-on-a-chip powers its newest Pura 80 smartphones. This cutting-edge design not only restored Huawei's technological independence, but also signaled its arrival as a direct rival to Apple's silicon dominance. Developed by HiSilicon, Huawei's semiconductor design arm, the Kirin 9020 now drives both the Mate 70 and Pura 80 series, the company's flagship devices that have set new standards in efficiency, performance, and design. Its public confirmation ended years of speculation, following early leaks from system updates that revealed the chipset's name and user screenshots shared across Chinese platforms. This revelation marked Huawei's most open acknowledgement of its chip progress since 2020. Until now, details about its processors had come only from independent teardown analyses, the most notable being Tech Insight's dissection of the Mate 60 Pro in 2023, which first confirmed that SMIC, China's top semiconductor foundry, had produced Huawei's custom chips using a 7-nanometer manufacturing process. The Kirin 9020, built on the same advanced 7-nanometer node, represents a refined and more efficient evolution of its predecessor, the Kirin 9010. While not a complete architectural overhaul, its improvements are substantial. The chip integrates Huawei's latest dual-cluster AI cores, a new NPU for faster on-device intelligence, and an upgraded ISP that enables sharper photography and real-time scene recognition. It also includes a custom 5G modem optimized for HarmonyOS devices, delivering faster network performance with lower power draw. Benchmarks shared by analysts show that the Kirin 9020 not only matches, but in some key areas, outperforms Apple's A18 chip used in the iPhone 17 series. Its multi-core CPU performance shows up to a 12% improvement, and its AI processing speeds exceed Apple's by nearly 20%, thanks to Huawei's specialized NPUs designed for generative and visual AI applications. Battery optimization also plays a major role. The Kirin 9020 consumes less energy under sustained workloads, extending device life far beyond comparable iPhone models. With SMIC's process and Huawei's design integration, the Kirin 9020 achieves near-flagship thermal performance and efficiency without relying on foreign fabrication tools. This level of self-sufficiency is unmatched among global smartphone makers. The success of the Kirin 9020 also marks the end of an era defined by dependency on American semiconductor suppliers. When U.S. sanctions cut Huawei off from chip manufacturing in 2019, the company's global smartphone business nearly collapsed. By 2021, its shipments had dropped to a fraction of pre-sanction levels. Yet rather than retreat, Huawei began a complete internal rebuild, from processors and modems to its own operating system. That operating system, HarmonyOS, has since become the cornerstone of Huawei's comeback. Recognizing that software was as crucial to sovereignty as hardware, Huawei invested tens of billions of yuan over 6 years and mobilized more than 10,000 developers annually to perfect the platform. By mid-2020, over 10 million devices were running HarmonyOS 5. offering seamless AI integration, advanced privacy controls, and cross-device connectivity unmatched by most Android-based systems. The Mate 70 and Pura 80 series, powered by the Kirin 1920, demonstrate how deeply optimized Huawei's ecosystem has become. Harmony OS leverages the chip's neural cores to enhance real-time camera processing, speech recognition, and multitasking, creating an experience that feels fluid and responsive even under heavy use. By the second quarter of 2025, Huawei had reclaimed the top spot in China's smartphone market, capturing 80.1% of total shipments, its highest share in 4 years. Industry analysts attribute this resurgence to 3 key factors: domestic loyalty, cutting-edge engineering, and the Kirin 9020's superior balance of performance, endurance, and cost efficiency. While Apple scrambles to match the performance of Harmony OS 5 on Huawei's latest chip, Huawei has already leapfrogged ahead, unveiling the next flagship operating system, one that promises to redefine the rules entirely.